Do everything what you say you are going to do. Be the man of words. Accept your mistake if it is done by you, no matter either it is done intentionally or unintentionally. Don't trust everyone. Don't agree with people to make them like you. If they are wrong, have the courage to correct them. Don't waste anyone's time. Respect time as you respect money. Don't give free advices when it is not needed. Only give advices when someone genuinely asks from you. Don't make excuses. Accept your failure as you accept your achievements. Make sure your action meets your words. Literally everyone is a philosopher. Only 1% of them are what they say. Be honest. No matter someone is happy or sad by your words. You are here to rule, not to please people. Appreciate people, no matter if they are unknown. Remember, gentlemen have courage to appreciate good things and resist bad things. Before judging someone's life, listen their point of view very carefully. Handle every of your thought with empathy and compassion. Thank you.